Hey, hi all. So I'm back again with another question of Java interview series. Basically, today we'll be mainly focusing on Java interview question, and this question is that we will be focusing on one of the methods of collectors dot partitioning by is the method, which is being masked in many of the other scenarios. Like suppose there is an employee class is given, and you are given the ages along with the some fields. So you need to find like if employees whose age is greater than 35 and whose age is less than 35. So there you can use the partitioning by. Basically what it does this method, that it partition by the list into two halves, like age greater than 35 one half, and then age less than 35 and, another half. So you sometimes you need to get the result or send the result of both the list, both the parts. So according to that requirement, we follow here like collectors.partitioning by is a method which is being most asked or most used, you can say. So in this scenario, like yeah, I have taken a list of integers. I need to divide that list into one having the even numbers and other having the odd numbers. So even numbers is 1 3 5 and odd number like sorry odd numbers is 1 3 5 and even numbers is 2 4 6. So basically I'm partitioning by into two halves, and then I will be printing both the list, like odd number list also and even number list also. So here is a trick that you can go with the other approach also, using collectors dot grouping by, and then you can sort it, not sorted, like basically you can check whether it is even numbers, and then you can print it. Or there is another way that you can just do the collectors dot partitioning by. So in this scenario, in many of the interviews, like interviewer will be asking like whether you are aware about collectors dot partitioning by or not. Or sometimes they just specific mention that you need to solve this problem via collectors dot partitioning by method. That is the approach. So the motive behind here is the problem is that I have taken just a simple problem, but maybe you can get a tricky problem also, and you need to solve using the collectors dot partitioning by. So just go through this method, that like how we use it. Like basically what it does, that it just resolves any list into two halves, one with the false like as a key, and another one as the true as the key. Basically it will return a map, as collectors method return a map. So it will be returning the map of boolean along with the value of list of that particular integer in this scenario. So that is the main motive behind, and you should be aware about this method. And this is the most asked interview question again, like I am continuing with that. So let's get started. And before that, like if you haven't like share and subscribe my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's get started with the code. So basically I've taken a normal list of integers using arrays dot as list. Now I need to partition by sorry. So what we will be doing, we will be streaming this list, and using collectors dot partitioning by, we will be like dividing this particular list into two halves. Nothing, just we will be simply checking I modulus 2 double equals 0. So it will return a map, just this thing, it will return a map based on the like whether this particular number one is supposed to be divisible by 2 or not, and it will like return a map along with the keys as false and true. So let me try to print that map so you will be more clear about it. So key will be of boolean type and list is of integer type. Okay. Okay, now we will just simply print this map to check whether what are the values or what is the map is consisting of, so you will be more clear about it. Okay, so let me print that map. See here, like if I maximize this output, see here, so you are getting the in the boolean value in the output odd numbers, you are getting the as key as false, and its values list of odd numbers value. And in the even numbers, you are getting the key as true, and its even its values list of integers basically. So just that is the thing. Now what we will be doing, we will be printing just these two lists. Like interviewer will be asking you just to print that odd number list and along with that even number list. So how we will be doing it, so basically we will be checking based on values. Firstly we will get the odd number list. Odd number list. Okay, and how we will be getting it? HS dot get method is there to get that particular value, and we have seen that for odd numbers we have the value key as false, so just write as false. Similarly we will be doing for the even number also. And here just we need to change the key as true, so it will be fetching the values, so HS dot get using, and just simple we will print it. Sys out odd number list is okay, and we will be just printing it. Now even number list. Even number list is, just we will be printing this list also. Now you will be getting the both the list, the output. See here odd number list is 1357, it is just returning the value, and let me give me more space so that it should go properly, and even number list is 2468. So that is the motive behind it. Like motive is not that solving this problem, motive is that you should be aware about collectors.partitioningBy method and how we can use it or how we can integrate in our existing code. The main motive is here is that you how you can use the collectors.partitioningBy method, and what it does, like most of the people are not aware about it, like what it return it basically. So it returns a map of boolean as a key, and its value in this is like it is a list of integers, so it is returning the value as list of integer, and based on this key like we are just fetching the first half list and then second half list based on the key value. So that is the main motive, and just solve it more problems using collectors or partitioning by, and you will be aware about it. So that's it from my side, and let me know if any feedback, any suggestions you have. Please ping me in the, or please reach me in the comments. I'll be happy to solve it, and we'll be coming with the next another interview question only as of now. Yeah, that's it. Thanks.